In the intricate dance of B2B marketing, manufacturers must move with precision and insight. It's about knowing your audience, sizing up the competition, and staying ahead of industry trends. This deep dive into the market is what sets the stage for a manufacturer's success, allowing them to carve out a unique position and choose the most effective channels to reach their audience. It's not just about selling products, it's about forging strong relationships within the manufacturing ecosystem, from distributors to suppliers, to amplify reach and visibility. But what truly captivates a B2B audience? It's compelling content that speaks directly to their challenges and pain points. Manufacturers must become educators and thought leaders, offering a mix of blog posts, white papers, and product demos that not only inform, but also demonstrate expertise. Diversifying content is key. Videos that bring processes to life, infographics that distill complex data, and interactive elements that engage and immerse. This rich tapestry of content builds trust and cements a manufacturer's credibility. Data and analytics are the compass guiding manufacturers through the marketing wilderness. With insights into customer behavior and preferences, marketing becomes a targeted endeavor, personalized and precise. Segmenting audiences and tailoring campaigns ensures that the message resonates, while tracking performance metrics sharpens tactics for maximum impact. In the world of manufacturing marketing, data is the currency of choice, driving decisions that lead to success. SEO is the beacon that draws the digital audience to a manufacturer's doorstep. Keyword research unlocks the terms that customers are searching for, weaving them into the digital fabric of a manufacturer's online presence. But it's not just about keywords, it's about delivering quality content that serves the audience's needs, ensuring a mobile-friendly experience, and keeping the website fresh and informative. SEO is not a one-time fix, but an ongoing strategy that keeps manufacturers visible and relevant. Finally, social media is the arena where manufacturers can truly connect with their B2B audience. Platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter become stages for sharing insights, celebrating successes, and engaging in meaningful dialogue. Content that adds value and sparks conversation is shared, while active participation in industry groups positions manufacturers as leaders and connectors. Social media is not just a megaphone for broadcasting, it's a tool for building lasting B2B relationships.